Lesson number 35. Patterns. Friends, pattern means a similarity or similar method design. Now, look at this chessboard. In each of these lines, the black and white boxes are in the same way, and see the planted plants. It is at the same distance in each line and planted in the same way. Now you see the gate on your house coat. That design is one of the same. Look at the rangoli that are same everywhere. Such a structure is called a pattern. A pattern can be used in mathematical numbers. There are many, such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 numbers. See in this table. So let's see that the digits are written by removing the middle one digit. This is the pattern of numbers. In this way, you learn to creating your pattern.